Good morning, students. Today, I'll try to complete exercise 9.3. So, first, I am starting with question number 6. What is question number 6? One of the angle of a triangle is 100 degree. Draw a triangle. We'll make a triangle. एक triangle बना लिया हमने. One angle is 100 degree. So, we'll write 100 degree. And other two angles are equal. Find the measure of each of the equal angles. How many angles are there in a triangle? Three angles. One is given 100 and other two is given equal. That is same. So we'll suppose this angle is x, then is this also be x. We will suppose let the two equal angles be x. You already know if you add all the three angles of a triangle, the sum will come 180 because I have explained you angle sum property. As per angle sum property, the sum of all the three interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So we will write x plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because angle sum property. Write in complete. Do not write ASP. X and x will become 2x plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. 2x is equal to 80 degree. X is equal to 80 upon 2. 2 4 ja 8, 40. X is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, the measure of each of the two equal angles, how much? 40 degree. This will be the answer. Understood? Understood? Do ask if you are facing any difficulty. Okay, now I am explaining you question number 7. I am erasing this question. Okay, I am erasing this. From today onwards, you will get a link of YouTube channel of St. Mary's online classes, in which you will be able, you can see the video as per your convenience. At any time you can go through the video. Seventh question. Question number 7 is the three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 2. What will we do? We'll again make a triangle. Ratio of three angles. Angle 1, ratio angle 2, ratio angle 3 is given 1 ratio 2 ratio 2. So we will suppose, we'll name this triangle ABC. In place of 1 to 3, you may write angle A ratio, angle B ratio, angle C. Angle A is 1, so we'll take x, 1x. Angle B and C ratio 2 2. It means we'll take angle B 2x and angle C 2x. Again we have to suppose let angle A comma angle B comma angle C be x comma 2x and 2x respectively. You already know if you add all the three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, sum you will get 180 degree. Why? Because angle sum property. In place of angle A, you may write x, and in place of angle B, write 2x. In place of angle C, write 2x is equal to 180 degree. 2 to 4 and 1 5. 5x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 3 ja 15 18 minus 15, 3 will come, 3 0 30, 5 6 is 30. So x is 36. It means angle A is, you have supposed angle A as x. So write angle A is equal to x, that is 36 degree. Angle B is, you have supposed 2x, that is 2 into 36, it will become 72 degree. Angle C also 2x, 2 into 36 is equal to 72 degree. This will be the answer of these questions. Is it okay? Understood? Just go through this question. एक बार देखिए, एक मिनट देखिए इस क्वेश्चन को. इफ यू आर फेसिंग एनी डिफिकल्टी, डू आस्क मी. आई टेल यू अगेन. अदर पार्टीज क्लासिफाई द ट्रायंगल इन टू डिफरेंट वेज. इस ट्रायंगल को आपने दो डिफरेंट वेज में क्लासिफाई करना है. एंगल ए दिया हुआ है 36, एंगल बी 72 and angle C 72. Since all the angles are acute, so we will classify this triangle as acute triangle. Is it okay? Riddhi, Pallavi, are you understanding? तीनों एंगल एक्यूट है तो एक्यूट ट्रायंगल भी कह सकते हैं. देखिए, two angles are equal. If two angles are equal, then the triangle is isosceles triangle. So we can classify this triangle into two ways. First is acute triangle and second is isosceles triangle. Is it okay? Understood? Very good. May I clean the blackboard now? May I erase it? May I erase it? Or you are still going through this question? अभी देख रहे हैं आप या इरेज कर दूं? I am cleaning it. Now, question number 8. In question number 8, a figure is given. First we'll make a figure. We'll draw a figure. ये figure बना हुआ है. This is A, this is B, this is C. Draw a perpendicular D 65 degree. You don't know the value of this angle, these angles. In the given figure, angle ABC is a right angle at C. Angle triangle ABC is right angle at C. It means ये angle 90 degree का है. And CD is perpendicular to AB. ये 90 है, ये भी 90 है. Is it okay? Angle A is 65 degree. You have to find angle ACD. First, you have to find angle ACD. In ACD triangle, just wait. मुस्किन सर, ये 65 डिग्री दिया हुआ है, ये परपेंडिकुलर है. इट मींस दिस एंगल इज 90 and this angle is also 90. You have to find this angle. In first part, you have to find angle ACD. We'll write, since CD is perpendicular to AB, therefore angle ADB is equal to 90 and angle CDB and CDA both are 90 degree. Therefore, angle CDB is equal to angle CDA is equal to 90 degree. Is it okay? Now you have to find this angle. So we'll take triangle ACD. In triangle ACD,